rumination. It's your brain's way of finishing unfinished business. Your brain hates unresolved problems, so it keeps replaying them, looking for closure before it goes off to sleep. The Zeigarnik effect. This was discovered by the Russian psychologist Luma Zeigarnik, who suggested that the brain tends to remember unfinished business more than the finished tasks. For example, think of a waiter who tends to remember the order which has not been completed and served to the table and immediately forgets the order which has been served to the table. Here are some quick tips to help you be at peace before you sleep. 1. Write down. Quickly just dump down all your thoughts on a piece of paper so that you have put it down and the mind feels that it's complete. 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If it's something that can be completed in 2 minutes, sending a quick message, writing down what you have to do tomorrow gives you an instant closure which will bring about peace. 3. Chunk off the big task. Write down the bigger task into small little steps and then mark off the steps that are done. This gives relief to the brain that the task is near completion. 4. Self-talk reframe. If it's something that is pondering on your mind and cannot be achieved today, then you tell yourself, this is tomorrow's task. Today's work is done. This also gives a sense of closure to the brain, and then it allows you to go into a deep, peaceful sleep.